How to identify flowering shrubs. There are many different types of flowering shrubs, and they can easily be identified by looking at the foliage and bark. Colors will also come into play when identifying flowering shrubs. Be sure to plant the shrubs according to color and seasonal blooming. It's also pretty to plant some shrubs as a complement to flowers in a flower bed. Step 1. Identify azaleas by the vibrant flowers that cluster. The foliage stays green all year and blooms in the spring. The flowers are tube-like and come in many different colors. Azalea bushes also get very large, enabling the user to plant them as privacy hedges and to cover home foundations. Step 2. See the butterflies flock to the butterfly bush. This small bush has colorful flowers that bloom in a cone shape, and butterflies love the nectar from these flowers. The cone-shaped flowers also look like butterflies in the wind. Step 3. Spot a lilac bush by the fragrant purple, red or white flowers that bloom on the sprig. The flowers are small, and in small clusters, which creates a large group of flowers along the end of the stem. The flowers bloom in late spring and continue until mid to late June. The lilac bush can either be trimmed to stay smaller or pruned to grow into trees. The scent of the lilac bush can be smelled from a long distance, and is so strong that it is used often in perfumes and incense. Step 4. Identify oleander bushes by the large showy flowers in vibrant colors in the spring. The flowers also have a fairly long tube with flower petals up to 1 inch long. The oleander bush is preferred for its ease of pruning into shapes or use as a privacy hedge when allowed to grow large. The oleander stays green throughout the year, however, this plant can be toxic if ingested, so is not recommended for households with pets or children.